Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed, Bourgogne. We're on board a Dutch steel cruiser, a little bit different from the run-of-the-mill. 1981, 13.3 metres long, 4.1 metres wide, and steady as a rock. This really is she's not a tender boat at all, she's rock solid, so I'm moving around on here. Flybridge, aft deck. These teak-laid gunnels really wide, really reassuring with the solid stanchion rails. You're definitely not tiptoes and sideways down here. Teak decks are suffering a little bit, as is some of the rest of the boat, which you've seen. Now this is an interesting feature. How about that? Really makes life easy when you nose to in a marina. Let's just have a look over the whole thing. Steadying sail. Real boaty boat, steady as a rock. If you'd like any more information, I'm Graham, Boatshed Bourgogne. All my contact information is on this information page.